This audio is hypnotic in nature. Please only listen to this audio in a space where you can shut your eyes and relax for 10 minutes. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Cindy, and I want to welcome you to this 10-minute nature relaxation. I know setting aside 10 minutes for your self-care might be tricky due to your busy schedule, but it is beneficial for your overall well-being. After finding your location and getting comfortable, find a spot in your space and keep a soft gaze on that spot. Take a slow breath in and out and deepen your relaxation. Feel the calmness traveling slowly from the top of your head down your body and to the bottom of your feet. Take another deep breath in and out and feel your eyelids becoming heavy. Take your last deep breath in and out and slowly close your eyes. Imagine yourself standing in an open grassland on a sunny spring morning. The air is fresh and the weather is beautiful. Take a moment and observe the lovely scene around you. Take a deep breath in and out, and enjoy the warm spring sun. Take a long breath in and out, and you love the quiet and friendly atmosphere. You take another moment to look around, and you notice a forest nearby and decide to take a short walk inside the forest. You gradually make your way to the edge of the woods, and you realize there is a clear, narrow path. Remaining on the trail will make your walk easier. You slowly walk into the forest and notice birds chirping and gentle sunlight peeking through some parts and beaming on the forest ground. You take a brief moment to observe your surroundings and take a long breath in and out. You walk down the trail feeling free and enjoying the spring weather. The forest vibe makes you feel calm and at ease. You slowly continue your way down the path and take the time to enjoy the meaning of spring. Take a slow breath in and out and feel great. Take a second deep breath in and out and feel superb. You slowly walk down a winding trail while continue to observe the nature around you. The winding path leads to a fork road, and you decide to take the path on the left. The path on the left was straight for a bit before coming to a slight hill. You take a deep breath in and out before you start to climb the hill. When you reach the top of the hill, you take a big breath in and out and feel great. You continue your journey down the trail feeling free. You love the peaceful atmosphere. You walk a little longer down the trail and come to an old tree. It is a magnificent tree, and you find yourself admiring the tree. Take a long breath in and out. You are in love with the fresh forest air. Take a second deep breath in and out. You stretch out your arms and legs and are in tune with the beautiful nature. Take a third breath in and out and feel fine and free. You take a moment and gaze at the giant tree. The tree is at least 300 years old and majestic. You take a few more moments to digest the atmosphere. There is a lot to comprehend. Take a slow breath in and out, and you feel fantastic. Take a second breath in and out. Take a third breath in and out and feel amazing. You stay a bit longer near the tree, enjoying the birds chirping and sun peeking on the forest ground. After about 5 minutes, you decided it is time to head home. You take a respectful bow to the giant tree before leaving. Take a big breath in and out before you start your journey home. You gingerly walk down the path until you reach the hill. You are heading downhill this time, and the experience is much easier. You carefully walk down the hill. Take a big breath in and out and feel happy. Take a second breath in and out and feel cheerful. You continue your journey down the straight path until you reach the fork. You take a big breath in and out and stretch out your arms and legs. You walk down the winding path and feel ecstatic. The crisp spring air still put you in a slight disbelief. You walk down the trail with a cheerful smile on your face. You start to whistle as you continue down the road, and soon reach the edge of the woods. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a second breath in and out and feel grateful. You take another calm moment to reflect on your journey. This short trail walk has been healing and relaxing. You feel wonderful. Now take a deep breath in and out and begin to bring your awareness back into the space you are in. Take a second breath in and out and feel the room even more. Take another breath in and out and slowly open your eyes with a soft gaze. Take your last deep breath in and out and open your eyes. Take a moment to stretch out your arms and legs. Thank you for coming on the forest walk. I hope you find it to be relaxing. I hope you continue this peace and tranquility for the rest of your day. You can always return to this audio if you want some quiet time. Best of luck on the rest of your day.